garlic. This pungent bulb, a must-have in kitchens worldwide, hides a secret. It's a powerful natural antibiotic. Used for thousands of years, garlic has spanned the ages, not only as a cooking ingredient, but also as a medicinal remedy. Long before the arrival of synthetic antibiotics, garlic was a cornerstone of traditional medicine. Ancient Egyptians, Greeks, and Romans used it to treat various ailments, from coughs to skin infections. Its effectiveness against infections was especially evident during World War I and World War II. Soldiers, often facing unsanitary conditions, found in garlic a valuable ally to fight infections. With limited access to modern medicine, soldiers relied heavily on garlic's healing properties, earning it the nickname Russian penicillin. This nickname wasn't just a metaphor, but a testament to its real effectiveness. This wartime nickname reflects garlic's profound impact on human health. Historical documents show how garlic was applied directly to wounds to prevent infections. For centuries, this humble bulb has served as a natural remedy, effectively fighting infections and promoting overall well-being. Traditional garlic remedies were passed down through generations. Its historical importance highlights the powerful potential of natural remedies to protect our health. From Asia to Europe, garlic has been revered for its healing properties. The use of garlic in wartime highlights its accessibility and effectiveness. Even in the darkest of times, garlic was a glimmer of hope for wounded soldiers. Even in the most difficult circumstances, with limited resources, garlic provided a lifeline against infections. Soldiers and field medics knew they could rely on this natural remedy. This legacy of healing continues to inspire us today, reminding us of the power of nature's pharmacy. Garlic is still used in many homes for its health benefits. This historical context sets the stage for exploring garlic's remarkable health benefits, revealing why this ancient remedy remains relevant and essential in our modern world. From preventing cardiovascular disease to boosting immunity, garlic continues to prove its worth. Beyond its culinary uses, garlic holds a treasure trove of essential nutrients. Don't let its small size fool you. This bulb is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making it a nutritional powerhouse. Garlic is a good source of manganese, vitamin B6, vitamin C, and selenium. It also contains trace amounts of various other nutrients. What makes garlic even more appealing is its low sugar content. In a world grappling with increasing sugar consumption, garlic offers a flavorful and healthy way to enhance meals without compromising nutritional value. This makes it an ideal ingredient for people watching their sugar intake. Garlic's rich nutritional profile contributes significantly to its numerous health benefits. These nutrients work together to boost immunity, protect against cell damage, and support overall well-being. From strengthening the immune system to fighting inflammation, garlic's nutritional density allows it to address a wide range of health concerns. This makes it a valuable addition to any diet, regardless of age or health status. Garlic has earned a reputation as a heart-healthy food, and for good reason. For centuries, it has been used not only for its culinary properties, but also for its medicinal benefits. Studies suggest that regular garlic consumption can have a positive impact on cardiovascular health, making it a true friend to the heart. Researchers have discovered that garlic contains active compounds, like allicin, which play a crucial role in protecting the heart. One of its most notable benefits is its ability to lower blood pressure, a major risk factor for heart disease. By consuming garlic regularly, individuals may see a significant reduction in their blood pressure, contributing to better overall health. Garlic's positive influence on blood vessels contributes to improved blood flow, reducing strain on the heart. This improved circulation is essential for preventing cardiovascular diseases and maintaining a healthy heart. This, in turn, can lower the risk of heart attacks and strokes, two leading causes of death worldwide. By incorporating garlic into our diet, we can take proactive steps to protect our hearts. Incorporating garlic into one's diet can be a simple yet effective strategy for supporting heart health. Whether raw, cooked, or in supplement form, garlic can easily be added to various dishes to reap its benefits. Additionally, garlic has been shown to lower cholesterol levels, particularly LDL cholesterol, often referred to as bad cholesterol. By reducing this type of cholesterol, garlic helps maintain clear and healthy arteries. By reducing LDL cholesterol, garlic helps prevent plaque buildup in the arteries, further reducing the risk of heart disease. This means garlic can play a key role in preventing artery blockages. Garlic's heart protective properties make it a valuable ally in maintaining cardiovascular well-being. In addition to its effects on blood pressure and cholesterol, Garlic also has antioxidant properties that protect the heart from oxidative damage. Its ability to lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol, and improve blood flow makes it a vital part of a heart-healthy lifestyle. By incorporating garlic into our daily routine, we take another step towards a longer, healthier life. Emerging research suggests that garlic may play a role in cancer prevention. Garlic has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties, and only recently has modern science begun to understand how these properties might apply to fighting cancer. While more studies are needed, preliminary evidence indicates that garlic's sulfur-containing compounds, particularly allicin, may inhibit the growth of cancer cells. These compounds appear to interfere with the cellular processes that allow cancer cells to multiply and spread. This has sparked significant interest in garlic's potential as a natural cancer-fighting agent. Researchers worldwide are investigating the mechanisms by which garlic might offer protection against this devastating disease. Studies have shown promising results regarding garlic's effects on various types of cancer, including ovarian, prostate, colon, stomach, lung, and brain cancer. These findings are particularly encouraging as they suggest that garlic could have broad application in preventing and treating different types of cancer. While garlic should not be considered a cure for cancer, its potential to prevent or slow the progression of this disease is remarkable. By incorporating garlic into our daily diets, we might benefit from its protective properties. Garlic's ability to selectively target cancer cells while leaving healthy cells unharmed makes it a promising candidate for future cancer research. This selectivity is crucial because it could reduce the side effects often associated with conventional treatments. Its potential to enhance the effectiveness of conventional cancer treatments is also being investigated. Researchers are exploring how garlic might be used in combination with other therapies to offer a more comprehensive and effective approach to cancer treatment. Although more research is needed to fully understand garlic's anti-cancer properties, the existing evidence highlights its potential as a valuable tool in the fight against this complex disease. Scientists continue to discover new ways garlic might be used to prevent and treat cancer. Incorporating garlic into one's diet could be a proactive step towards reducing cancer risk. In addition to its potential cancer-fighting benefits, garlic is also known for its positive effects on cardiovascular health and the immune system, making it a valuable addition to a balanced diet. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. See you soon for more health tips.